When did you know our stars align? It's so